All right, today we're sitting with the DK2205 replacement as well as the replacement tape holder. And this one is a tape, it is continuous. All right. You'll take the left side, have the cylinder facing down, the pin facing you. Take the middle piece, locate that hole, and insert it into the left side, just like this. All right. If it doesn't go directly on, just rotate it till it locks in. Confirm that it's locked in by finding both pins are flush. And then with this longer side facing you, load the labels, going over the top, also facing you. Then you'll have a slit on the bottom here. For this tab here, you slide it right in there, should snap. There it goes. And then after it snaps, you shouldn't have a gap on either side. Nice and snug. Load it in. Feed them through. And you're good to go. Now I'll show you how to disassemble once you've run out. Okay, go ahead and this side that has the slit and the tab, pull from the bottom like this. You see you got a little wedge there. And then just work it on out, nice and slow. And it comes out. All right.